Okay, so I had a few questions about Khan Academy and the quadratic word problems in vertex form, especially problems like this where we're asked to find the y-intercept or the starting point based on the vertex form of a problem. So it says, so this is an example, a hovercraft takes off from a platform. Its height in meters x seconds after takeoff is modeled by, and we have this function in vertex form. So I know the vertex, the x value, would be at x equals positive 3, okay, because we know it's the opposite of what's in the parentheses. And then plus 108, the y value is 108. So in 3 seconds, the hovercraft is going to be 108 feet above the ground. And so this says, what is the height of the hovercraft at the time of takeoff? So we would just have to think about and remember that we are looking for the y value or the output when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0. So all I would do is plug in 0 and go from there. So I would say this is negative 3. Ooh, that's an ugly 3. Negative 3 times 0 minus 3, all right, in parentheses, squared, oh no, that's supposed to be squared, plus 108, plus 108. And so I would do what's in parentheses first. So 0 minus 3 is negative 3. And then I'm going to square that. Okay, so negative 3 squared gives me positive 9. And then I'm going to multiply 9 times this negative 3 from the top. So negative 3 times 9, negative 3 times 9. And that gives me negative 27. Come on, negative 27. And then I'm going to add that to this 108. So negative 27 plus 108. And so when I subtract, when I've got negative 27 and 108, and I subtract those, that's basically what I'm doing, is just subtracting. So it's going to be 108 minus 27. 8 minus 7 is 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. So we're looking at 81. So it looks like the height when at the time of takeoff would be 81. We would put that in there.